Hi, I'm Jake. In this class, we will learn how to create and use this lava animation template, which does not require any external plugins. You don't need to have any experience working with Adobe After Effects. You can even download the free trial version and it will work fine. By the way, my professionally made template is approved for sale on Envato Elements. This is how you know that knowledge which I provide is up to date. I'll explain each step we're going to make to create this effect. You can use your logo, text, lava textures and background images to get a unique look. Or you can download assets that I provided in the resource tab to this class. I'll provide you all needed knowledge so you can understand each setting and make adjustments to make it exactly as you want. You can always write your questions in discussion section under any of my classes to get help from me while creating cool effects. I think it's the best way to learn this software while creating interesting effects for fun. And to complete this class, our goal is to create your lava animation After Effects template. I'll be happy to see you in my class, as also your result after following all the steps. So, let's get started!